Set your intention before you even begin. Get crystal clear on why you want to astral project. Your intention is like your navigation system in the astral plane. It determines the direction, the places you reach, and the kind of encounters you have. Whether it's exploring higher realms, connecting with spirit guides, gaining insight into past lives, or deepening self-discovery, a focused reason keeps your energy steady and your experience meaningful. Remember, the mind follows direction, and in astral travel, a strong, heartfelt intention can be the difference between a drifting experience and a purposeful journey. Choose the right time. The timing of your practice can greatly influence your success. Your state of consciousness needs to be relaxed yet aware. The sweet spot for astral projection. Early morning, around 4 to 6 a.m., works beautifully because your body is still in a restful state, but your mind has a natural clarity after some sleep. Another prime opportunity is right after a 20 to 30-minute nap, when your brain naturally shifts into the alpha and theta wave patterns. The ideal frequency range for slipping out of the physical and into the astral. Choosing the right moment helps you bypass mental chatter and enter the experience more smoothly. Create a quiet, safe space. Your surroundings directly influence how deeply you can relax and let your mind expand. Choose a place where you won't be interrupted. Switch off your phone, TV, and any other distractions. Keep the lighting dim or wear a sleep mask to block out visual stimulation. And make sure the temperature is comfortable so your body doesn't pull your focus. The goal is to create a cocoon-like atmosphere where you feel completely safe and at ease. When your environment signals peace and security, it becomes much easier for your mind to loosen its grip on the physical world and step into the astral. Relax the body completely. Lie down in a position that feels natural and effortless. Many prefer lying on their back, but choose what keeps you most at ease. Starting from your head and moving down to your toes, consciously release all stored tension. A powerful method is progressive muscle relaxation. Gently tense each muscle group for a few seconds, then let it go, feeling the heaviness settle in. This signals to your body that it's safe to enter a deep state of rest, while keeping your mind calm yet awake. The more completely your body relaxes, the easier it becomes to slip past physical awareness and transition toward the astral state. Calm the mind. Your mental state is just as important as your physical relaxation. A restless mind will keep you tethered to the physical world, so the aim is to quiet it without losing alertness. Choose a simple focus point. Count each breath in and out. Repeat a gentle mantra such as, "I travel safely," or picture a serene place you know well. Let distracting thoughts pass without chasing them, as if they're clouds drifting by. The sweet spot is a calm, steady awareness. Your mind is quiet enough to allow the astral shift, yet awake enough to guide the experience with intention. Enter the hypnagogic state. The hypnagogic state is the delicate bridge between wakefulness and sleep, a dreamlike twilight where the mind starts producing drifting images, shifting colors, and fleeting sensations. You might see shapes or flashes of light behind closed eyes, hear faint sounds, or feel a gentle floating sensation. This is a natural sign your brain is shifting into the right frequency for astral projection. Let your body sink even deeper into stillness, as if melting into the surface beneath you, while keeping your awareness anchored. Resist the urge to control or analyze what you see. Simply watch and allow the experience to unfold, like observing a movie playing in your mind. Feel the vibrations as you sink deeper into the hypnagogic state. You may notice a sudden wave of sensations, a buzzing through your body, a tingling in your skin, or a low humming sound in your ears. This is known as the vibrational stage, and it often signals that your subtle, astral body is loosening from the physical shell. It can feel intense, but it's completely natural and short-lived. The key here is to remain calm and allow the sensations to pass through you without resistance. Any spike of fear or excitement can instantly pull you back into full waking awareness. So breathe steadily, trust the process, and let the vibrations carry you towards separation. Use an exit technique. This is the moment where you move from the vibrational stage into full separation. Choose one method and practice it until it feels natural. Rope method. Imagine there's a strong, invisible rope hanging above you. Without moving your physical body, feel your astral hands reaching up and pulling yourself higher, hand over hand, until you sense a shift or pop out of your body. Roll-out method. Picture yourself gently rolling to one side, as if your astral form is sliding right out of your physical shell and onto the floor beside your bed. Floating method. Visualize yourself becoming weightless and drifting upward toward the ceiling, like a balloon slipping free of its tether. Whichever technique you choose, commit to it fully and stay with the imagery until you feel yourself detach. Consistency trains your mind to respond more quickly, making each future projection easier. Explore the astral plane. Once you've separated, resist the urge to rush off immediately. Take a moment to simply be in the new space. Notice the textures, the colors, the quality of light, and how everything feels slightly different from the physical world. You may see familiar places, dreamlike landscapes, or entirely new realms. Move slowly and deliberately, as if learning to walk in a new body. Keep your emotions steady. Bursts of excitement, surprise, or fear can act like an elastic band, snapping you back to your physical body. Breathe deeply, maintain a sense of calm curiosity, and let your intention guide where you go next. The more present you remain, the longer and richer your experience will be. Turn gently. When you feel it's time to come back, simply focus on your physical body or picture the room where you began. Almost instantly, you'll sense a gentle pull drawing you back into alignment with your physical form. Allow it to happen naturally. There's no need to force the process. Once you're fully reconnected, take a slow, deep breath and begin moving small parts of your body first, like your fingers and toes. Open your eyes gradually, giving yourself a moment to adjust to the physical world again. Staying calm during your return helps you retain more clarity and detail from your astral journey. Ground yourself. After your return, it's important to fully anchor back into your physical body and everyday awareness. Simple actions can help. Drink a glass of water, eat something light, stretch your muscles, or touch a textured object like a blanket or a stone. These physical sensations signal to your mind that you are fully here and safe. Right away, take a few minutes to write down your experience in a journal, capturing every detail, feeling, and image while they're still fresh. Astral memories can fade quickly, and recording them immediately not only preserves them, but also strengthens your ability to recall future journeys more clearly.